So my site is not how it used to be. So I need to be able to, oh.
Where's that? Yeah. Come here. Hear me now. Me.
All right, y'all, so I'm trying something new today. Y'all heard of those prepped or ready prepped meal kits that you get and you just get the ingredients and you cook it yourself? Well, today I'm trying something new, especially for the Greater Toronto area, Southern Ontario. You don't want to miss out on this. It is boom. Carib Dish. New company, just starting out, and I am going to try it today. So come on with me. So basically, Carib Dish, as you can see, it's short form for Caribbean. They have different Caribbean dish that you can order the kit itself and prepare it. Now you have to understand, I am of Jamaican background. I know Jamaican food. So there's certain words that I am not familiar with, how to cook it, how to make it. I can eat it, but I don't know how to make it. And they hooked me up with a dish from Grenada. It says Grenada chicken Pelau. We're gonna try our thing. Let's open this package. All right. Of it. We have the chicken here. We have the salad. I wasn't expecting salad and rice. I guess they give you the portion, they ration it out and everything, and they put it in Ziploc bags, which is so cool. Everything's diced up, like the onions in there. Can you see that? Oh no, I can't do it with this. Sorry, y'all. I can't do this thing. It don't work. But everything's diced in there. This is onions, thyme. Well, sprig of thyme, green onions, everything's diced, which is so good. Dressing for the salad, we have coconut milk, all of that, and brown sugar. This is a lot of brown sugar. We'll see what happens, because, wow, we'll see what happens. I ain't gonna say nothing. This stuff, Jamaican background, eh? I don't know nothing about Grenada, Grenadian food, I don't know, so we're gonna find out today. Oh, why don't we get into this? What's so cool, first of all, is that they give you tell you all the ingredients, do a picture of it, and you have all the instructions right there. That's amazing, isn't it? Don't pay attention to my COVID nails, please. Thank you. I don't want to hear nobody say, oh, you need a fill. I know that. Ingredients for garden salad and the instructions. I'm going to follow these instructions, even though salad is salad. You know, how can you make a mistake with salad? Eh? You just fling thing in a one bowl, eh? But I'm gonna follow it. We're gonna see how this goes. One thing you gotta do is put on glasses if you can't see like me. I'm getting older, so my sight is not how it used to be. So I need to be able to, Preheat large pot on medium-high heat and add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Okay, guess what? So this is one thing. I don't cook with vegetable oil, however, Praise the Lord, I have some. So that's one thing that make sure you have in your home if you're like me, that, you know, just make sure you have some vegetable oil just in case. Then it says, add brown sugar to hot oil and keep stirring for 45 seconds. Let the sugar melt until it starts to froth, bubble, and turn golden dark brown. Add the seasoned chicken to burnt sugar. This sounds like gourmet cooking. I don't cook with sugar like that. I don't burn sugar, and I don't add it to vegetable oil. So we're gonna try. We're gonna check this thing out. Follow me, eh? Follow me. I've preheated my oven. I have it like on 6, medium high. They said. So that's about medium high, right? Yeah. Okay, now I'm gonna add vegetable oil. Don't watch the brand, eh? It's not about the brand. It's about the oil. It's about the oil, the anointing. Anyway. Okay, so I'm gonna add 1, 2. That's what it says to add. 1, 2 tablespoons. And then add the sugar to hot oil and keep stirring for 45 seconds. Add the brown sugar and says keep stirring. First stir for 45 seconds. I'm gonna keep stirring and let the sugar melt until it starts to froth, bubble, and turn golden brown. Yeah, this is already brown sugar. 45 seconds, so I stirred it. And so now I'm supposed to let the sugar melt. I guess I'm supposed to stop stirring. That was the part you guys left out, Carib Dish, to stop stirring and let it melt. Oh, add the seasoned chicken to burnt sugar. That's the next thing I'm gonna do. Listen to me. I'm Jamaican, eh? I don't know nothing about putting what do you call this? Chicken with sugar. So we're gonna try that in here. Okay, it's melting. Ooh. All right, y'all see that? So it's burning now. That's how it's burning. It smells like it's burnt. Lord Jesus. No. All right, now I'm adding the chicken to we need to be careful. It says stir the chicken to mix and coat the burnt sugar. Okay, so I did that. Now cook for 7 to 10 minutes. All right, let me just stir this. This sugar is really burnt up. It's really burnt up, yo. It's really burnt. Let me show you. You know, it actually smells good. Cause before it smelled burnt. You know when something catch. Okay, so I'm cooking this for 7 to 10 minutes. Be right back. So I figured I multitask because that's normally what we do. We do 3 different things at one time. So I'm just gonna do the salad and get it out of the way. So it says to add lettuce, tomato, cucumber, carrot, and red onion in a deep bowl. Drizzle salad dressing into the bowl and mix. Seems easy enough. Alrighty, so let's go. Let's bust the bag. Alright, so you got me little carrots, little sprinkle, me little 2. Don't go 2 tomato. Alright. Oh, a little bit of, okay, that's fine. That amount is quite fine. And cucumbers. I love cucumbers. Cucumbers are so refreshing. In water with lemon. In the summer, you don't know what you're missing. And lettuce. All right, so I'm going to add the lettuce. Add tomato. These bags are so cute, but boy, with these nails, we can't open the bag. Sure. All right, so put that in. Cucumber, I told you I'm following it straight to the letter. You didn't see that. You didn't see that. It's still in the bag. And it's only me eating it. All right. Oh my gosh. Struggle foot. Holy. Ah. Boom. Boom. Next thing is carrots. Come on, one time, man. Don't drop it. All right, good stuff. Carrots. Slivers of carrots. Slivers. Literal slivers. Sliver. See there? You ever do that? Cook and eat as you're going? Now the onion. And then it says to drizzle the salad dressing into the bowl and mix. You know, normally I mix it and then I put the salad dressing on my plate. I don't normally put it on like this, but we're gonna try a thing, eh? And I don't eat Italian dressing. I don't do that either. My tongs here. My tongs, I said. And just mix. So I'm gonna mix it, toss it. It smells nice. I guess the onions with the Italian dressing kind of smell good. All right, so that's finished. And I think it's about time for me to get back to that chicken. Not bad. Not bad at all. Okay, you know the one thing that's really good is that they labeled everything, like all the seasonings and everything, because some people just don't know how to identify certain things. Add diced garlic, diced green and white onion, mix peas, thyme, and cook for 1 minute. So that's what I'm about to do. Thank you so much for not allowing me to cut the onions, because let me tell you something. I used to work for Wendy's and they had me on the station to cut onions. Miss said, Jesus, I'm going to think say me I got dead that day there. Miss said, when me cut the onion, me couldn't breathe. You know, it makes your eyes run, but Miss said, I couldn't breathe. I was and I couldn't see. My eyes were burning. And oh my gosh, it was a terrible experience. I had to go rush to, not the hospital, the bathroom, and rinse out my eyes, because I'm one of those people who suffer in silence. Yes, I don't tell nobody what's going on. I suffer in silence, so me could have dead right there, so and nobody would have know why. Yes, the onions nearly killed me off. So thank you, Carib Dish, for dicing up the onions for me. Yes. So I put in the mixed peas, the thyme. So put in that. You know what? What I like doing with thyme, I like just going like this. I don't like the stalks in it. I actually hate it. So that's what I'm gonna do. Some people just fling the stalk in there. No, me no want that. I deflower it. That's what I do. Some of it is already in there. Yeah, I deflower it. Thyme, my goodness. Thyme is so good to smell, but it's a strong herb. Yep, so I cook for 1 minute. Okay, so I just cook it for 1 minute. And I think 1 minute already passed. I'm gonna wait 30 more seconds, and then I'm gonna add the rice. And it says add rice. Let me show you. It says add the rice to the pot, stir to mix, and cook for 3 minutes. Okay. It smells so good. It smells good, man. Okay. All right, Carib Dish. All right. Okay, now I'm gonna add. Woo! Right. Sorry. It says add the rice to the pot, stir to mix, and cook for 3 minutes. Me not cook rice like this, you know. People, me don't cook rice like this. This is is not what I'm used to. Cook rice up, so me just have to follow the instructions and see what's happening and what I want. Because at some point I felt like I'm supposed to add water to this thing, but no, they don't say nothing about that. The next thing to add is coconut cream after 3 minutes. Coconut cream, the Scotch bonnet, and the veggie base. Oh, and then add water afterwards. Okay, that's what I thought, because I'll add salt to taste. Oh, for my tasting. Okay. I got it. Grenada chicken Pelau. Grenadian chicken Pelau. That's what we're making here. 3 minutes pass. I don't know, 3 minutes pass. Who counts, eh? The only thing I counted was the 7 and 10 minutes. Oh boy. I think 3 minutes. I'll give it 30 more seconds and then I'll do it. It says add the coconut cream. So I'm gonna add the coconut cream. Interesting. Ooh. Add coconut cream. Okay. Now it's starting to look like something. Oh my god. It kill me. Okay. Scotch bonnet pepper. I may not eat with pepper, you know, so this better not burn out the throat well. Then put them cut piece, because they know not everybody can handle pepper. You see that? Yeah. So we put that in there and we don't trouble it. See it in there, how it just sink and dissolve? Well, it's not going to dissolve. It's going to be there and hot up the whole thing, but you don't trouble it. And now we're going to add the vegetable base. Okay. Sprinkle that. It doesn't say sprinkle. I'm just doing that. And now stir and mix evenly. Okay. Stir and mix evenly. It never told me to turn down the heat at any point in time. So I'm guessing the heat still remains where it's at. But it's starting to look like something. So now, add water to the pot until all the ingredients are covered and bring to a boil. Oh, okay. I'm going to use my brittle water. Okay, I'm going to use my brittle water because it says to add water to the pot until all the ingredients are covered and bring to a boil. So that's what I'm going to do. Okay. And bring to a boil. So I guess I turn it up. Sorry, you had to hear all that bangarang. I was trying to find the lid. It doesn't say to cover, but I'm covering it. Oh, add salt to taste. Well, okay. It did say to cover. So I'm gonna add salt to taste. I have pink salt. Do you guys use pink salt? That should be enough for that pot. I don't think I need more than that. But I can always add it afterwards, right? I don't think I need more than that. Let me stir it up, make sure it's salt all the way around. And now, it says to cover the pot, reduce the heat to it says bring it very low. You see, I'm not following. Oops. So after I did start to add coconut cream and veggie base and all those things, I'm supposed to add water to the pot until all the ingredients are covered and bring to a boil. Then I'm supposed to add the salt. So I'm supposed to bring it to a boil first and then cover the pot fully, reduce the heat to very low, and let it cook for 25 to 30 minutes until all the liquid has been absorbed. So it has come to a boil. So now I cover and reduce heat. You never set to what, to very low. Very low means low. Very low means low. Because if you have low and then you have very low, no mean off. So we just put it to low. And we leave it there for 25 to 30 minutes. All right, so guess what? I'll be back. So people tell me, does your kitchen look like this when you finish cook? A disaster zone. If you ever see the floor, and if you ever really see the stove, can you even see it? I don't know if you can see it. It's a disaster zone. So I'm that type of person who, as I cook, I clean. As I cook, I clean. But because I'm following instructions as to what's what, it's hard to do that. But I cook and I clean as I cook. I clean pots and everything because I don't know. Because I'm that type of person that actually also picks up this plate, picks up that bowl and this, that, and to mix everything. I use a whole bunch of different stuff. So I know there's going to be a whole bunch of dishes. So I'll go and I'll clean as I'm going. So I'll put this in the garbage. You know what's a little bit of a mystery to me? Because I'm looking all over and I don't see this thing. I don't know if this is just a little snack from Grenada. I'm guessing it's peanut brittle. I don't eat peanuts. I don't like the taste of peanuts. I'm sure it tastes good. That's a cute gesture to put something, of a treat inside the bag. That's really good. I like that. So as I'm waiting for that to finish, the Grenadian chicken Pelau. Oh gosh, let me put on my glasses. This card was actually in. Remember what I said about my nails? Don't talk to me about. I need a fill. You need a fill. I know that. So Carib Dish says, thank you, Natalie Camille. Because of your purchase, we are able to support 2 organizations that is dear to our hearts. $1 from every box is donated to Smile Kids Grenada and Restoring Hearts International Jamaica. We are excited to join arms to bring free breakfast, scholarships, and necessary needed items to hundreds of kids in the islands. Thank you for your support, Team Carib Dish. That's really good to know. That when you are supporting a business, this is a Black-owned business, when you're supporting a Black-owned business, it's good to know that they are doing something, some kind of charity work, giving back, and a lot of us Black people here that are immigrants or have parents that are immigrants that immigrated here, they give back home. They give back home. They build stuff back home. They help with the schooling back home. They send barrel back home. And it's good to see that Carib Dish, in connection with, I know, Gospel Cafe GC Jerk Express in Toronto, they are donating to Smile Kids Grenada and Restoring Hearts International Jamaica by giving free breakfast, scholarships, and necessary needed items to hundreds of kids in the islands. Amazing. Amazing. Steam up my glasses. My belly are growling. My belly is growling. You know what? Because I haven't eaten. Well, I've eaten, but I haven't eaten. And the food, the smell of this is making my belly go like it remembers, oh yeah, food. Where is the food? I smell something. Where is the food? This scent that's hitting my nostrils, like stomach have nostril. So my stomach is talking to me. So I guess I looked at the salad. And, you know, I know it's just salad. But I might make the salad again because it smells like a meal unto itself. And I like how it's still crispy. I don't know. I guess it's something with the onion and the Italian dressing that is a good mix. I don't know. I don't put onions. I tell you already the onion story. Because it's kind of soggy-ish. Just because it mix and it's sit down. I don't mix the salad like that, you know. I don't. Unless it's like Caesar or something like that. But other than that, no. So guess what? That's what I'm about to eat. I'm about to get a little bowl and put it in. When I say little, you know, I mean little. And I'll put the one tomato. I got 2 tomatoes. I'm gonna put 1 tomato in there. So yeah, I'm eating the salad, yeah. And I don't eat onions raw. When I get burgers, saute that crap, man. Me not do the raw onion in burger. You crazy? No, sir. It's hungry, I'm hungry. Why this really tastes good? I forget what I was going to say. Oh, you know what I like about this too is that it's fresh vegetables. You know, sometimes you see some of the veggies then brown. So Carib Dish, good job on that because I'm very particular with my brown lettuce. I don't eat it. I miss a little brown and all those things. I stay away from those things. You know, and not bad. That 1 tomato though. It's like you put the right ingredient to make the right salad. Okay. Cherry tomatoes and onion with Italian dressing. I think that's the right combo right there. Because everything else I do. Lettuce, the cucumbers. Yeah. I don't really do cherry tomatoes. You know, my mom told me that I used to eat cherries like apples when I was younger. I guess that's why I don't really care for it today. I don't hate tomatoes, but did I say cherries? I'm gonna have to rewind that. You know, my mom told me that I used to eat cherries like apples when I was younger. I meant tomatoes. I used to eat tomatoes, the big tomatoes like apple. So my mom told me. And maybe I'm thinking that's why I don't really fancy it or care for it today. I could do without tomato. I don't hate it like, you know, peanuts, but I want peak. Okay. Make it go and cook. I'm gonna continue to eat this and enjoy it. I share out my food now. Grenadian chicken Pelau. I'm thinking that's how it's supposed to be. I don't know. You hot? I found the pepper. Push that off to the side. You know what's my issue? I burn up the sugar too long. That's my issue. You can taste it. But other than that, this can go on, man. This can go on. Let me tell you something. Sorry, I shouldn't be eating and talking, right? So I watch this for you want to know how it tastes. So. This is a good thing. Support black businesses. Support Carib Dish. This was the instructions. You get the ingredients in the Ziploc bags. Everything step by step. So, guys, I made chicken pilau. Yeah! I made chicken pilau. Grenadian chicken pilau. For the first time. And it was so easy. I could have opened up one restaurant here. Me say, put them out of business. No, I can't. No, after me burn up the sugar, so I can't do that. Oh, you can burn up sugar, eh? I never cooked sugar before. You can burn sugar, you can. Because I used to watch them cooking show and I see that if you put it in just a little bit too long, no, it don't go. Although the thing said burnt sugar, you know. This is a good choice because, you know, sometimes you want to buy something and or you want to make something but you don't know all the ingredients. You don't have all the ingredients. You have to run, grab this, grab that, all that. This is a ready-made kit, has everything in it as you saw, and the ingredients and the instructions on how to put it together. Even if you know how to do it, the more you do it, the more you don't even have to look at the instructions. You just have it already and you just cook it. It's convenient for those on the go people and people who just don't have time to go grocery shopping or whatever. They do the grocery shopping for you, get all the ingredients, chop it up, feel everything. Wow, amazing. And you make meals like authentic Caribbean meals. You're cooking pilau. The salad, everything compliment, man. Thank you so much for my meal today, Carib Dish. Okay. I may have my little drink, my little hibiscus drink. Yeah, this eat really good. I can't believe I made chicken pilau, guys. Like, really? Wow. You want some? No, you can't get none. It's mine. Cheers.